Hello again, traders. Right, I wasn't going to make another video today. I made one yesterday and managed to mess it up quite badly a few times. So, bit of a waste of time. And I'm still working out how to edit that now. OBS doesn't seem to have an editing facility. So, um, really wanted to make this video because, as you can see, it's BTC. I'm still in the original trade from yesterday, short trade. It's pulled back, I've taken profits and so on and so forth. But what I found really interesting when I opened this, and I wasn't going to, but I've doing other stuff today. But as you can see, we've got a near identical setup to yesterday's. In other words, a nice 3-swing pullback that I've talked about before to watch for. Always be aware that they'll try to fake you into a short here, but we had no trigger anyway, which was good. Need all 3 red, as you know. But this is an important fact that most people miss, is that 3rd swing. You might consider that little red candle there the swing 2, and then that swing 3, and then look for the re-entry here. We want more of a swing. As you can see, we've got the decent pullback there. Potential fake people in, but we're kept out because it's just totally wrong. And then the 3rd pullback, which alerted me to the fact that this is now getting extremely ready to wait for a perfect entry. We had the momentum to the upside, strong, and then it reversed. Now, this looks almost not identical, but it looks similar, doesn't it? Bit messier, less momentum to the upside, all this messing around. But and this, I remember watching this yesterday and thinking, during the day, on and off, thinking, when's it going to go? When's it going to go? It does need its decent pullback. So when it did, and I'd got my levels of resistance on the left-hand side, expecting it to test them, so I was all prepared for the sell. Similar thing going here, although I haven't drawn the levels. I didn't really intend to look at it today, but we could draw a level just to show you what I mean. That is an area that price would test before potentially going down. If it went up further, it could come back right up to this level, but then the further it goes up, obviously the higher the time frame that the reversals have happened on. So at first this might have been an M5, and then it's an M15, and then it's an M30, and then it's H1, which means we really need the same power, same time frame to reverse down. Otherwise you're trading against, I hope you understand what I'm saying, you're trading against the H4 in this case now, because this is an M30 swing. H4 candle, I'll show you what I mean. So excuse me, you've got an uptrend here, low, high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, high. I'm not too worried about the song, as it were, in this case, because that's not what I made the video about. But it does show you that you're considering entering in a green H4 candle, which is not right at all. It should at least be red. So one other thing to look at. Another thing to look at, excuse me, I've woken up with a frog in my throat. Excuse me. Maybe I'll be able to edit that out when I get the editor working, but I digress. So let's pop back to our example on H1, and as you can see, all of this is wrong as well. I marked out this candle because that was a potential, you can see the little pink line in there, that's the 3CR down with the momentum arrow. Here was a potential reversal opportunity late last night, I presume 10 hours ago, something like that. And but it wasn't right. No red MACD, no decent power on the, no arrow or anything decent power on the sell side, RSI, and nothing on the TMA. We didn't have anything on the TMA there either, but so there's nothing to see there. But you can then go through the various time frames like I just showed you. Excuse me, I'm going to cough again. And look to see whether everything's right. So it is really, this is a brilliant example of waiting patiently for the right set of reasons to sell, with two pretty similar looking examples on our chart. So once again, we've got support that we want to break. We've got support here. Notice I just draw the stuff on the closes of the candles. Wicks are important. They will cause a small problem, or maybe even reverse the price. But you know, you learn to look at good wicks, bad wicks, multi-time frame analysis, look at the line chart, see what's going on. Line chart, there was a support level there that pushed price higher than the previous high. That's a strong support level, push price above the previous highs. So the sellers were overwhelmed by the buyers, which is why this area is important. And you know, that one is different. That's a lower importance of support because it didn't push the price higher than that level there. So you know, you need to use every tool in the toolbox, which is what I do, to assess the power of the support, the buyers that you're trying to get through, the time of the day.